Hey folks, I just wanted to do a follow-up video regarding the replacement of outlets in your house. And what I found was that you tend to have a lead outlet, and that lead outlet will have a red wire, a red hot, along with two black hot, and those two black hot wires will usually be capped off, leaving just a one white or cream colored neutral wire to plug into the outlet. Initially, the other two outlets were not working. I was not getting any power to them at all. And the only one I was getting power to was the lead, which turned out to be the foulest of them all. So after replacing the lead outlet, which was in the worst condition of the other two, I was able to get power to the other two outlets where I wasn't getting power before. Now, traditionally, if an outlet goes bad, subsequent outlets on that circuit won't work either, just like if you were hanging up Christmas lights. Oftentimes, we won't go check the condition of the lead outlet unless we do it as a last resort, and that's what I had to do. This was the only one that was giving me voltage, but it was in the worst condition, and as a result, the other two outlets weren't getting power at all. So if you find yourself in a situation where you've got one outlet that's working and maybe two or three others that aren't, check them all and look for the lead outlet. And that's going to be the one, again, that has the red hot, and it will also have, or usually have, it'll have two black hots capped off with one white or cream colored remaining to connect. Correction, it'll have two neutrals. It'll have two neutrals to connect. And as always, wear your personal protective equipment and shut the power off to that circuit before you do any work on it. Good luck.